how to post long photos on Instagram. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna learn how you can post long photos on Instagram. If you don't have Instagram account already downloaded on your device yet, go ahead and download it from the App Store. After you get the Instagram account, open the Instagram account. After you get here, there you can see option at the bottom of the screen with plus icon. If you go ahead and press it, there you can access your gallery or your photos. After in there, at the bottom of the screen, there you can see that option that says allows you to post multiple different photos. For uploading a long photo, if you would like, you can just download the similar format of the photos or the photos that match according to your taste. After that, press the multiple choosing icon, and after you press multiple photos that you want to post, you can upload up to 10 different photos or similar photos as you might like. After you've selected all the photos that you want to post, go ahead and press next. That's on the top right of the corner. After you get here, there you can see option that says next. After you get here, there you can see you might want to add captions or like add music or add locations, etc. After you fill everything, go ahead and press share. After you do that, your long photo will finally be shared. And that is how you can post long photos on Instagram. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.